Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to study about Mesokaryon. Now see, do you know there are some organisms whose nucleus is neither fully primitive nor fully advanced, and this unique condition is known as Mesokaryon. Mesokaryon means it is a nucleus which is in the middle stage, neither fully primitive, neither fully advanced, and it's generally seen in dinoflagellates. So you can understand here, it is the one which is showing intermediate stage between prokaryotic nucleus and true nucleus. You can see them in the dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates which are belonging to the class that is known as Dinophyceae. Now, what are the characteristics of the mesokaryon nucleus? See, understand here. In this case, you will find histone proteins are absent. Okay, they are not wrapped around histone protein like in typical eukaryote, but nuclear envelope is there. Nuclear envelope is there, which is remaining intact throughout cell division. Even in the cell division time also, the nuclear membrane is intact. And chromosomes are also remaining intact, means chromosomes are getting condensed even in the interphase stage. Even in the interphase stage, also the chromosomes remain condensed. DNA is permanently condensed to form chromosome in the interphase stage also. True nucleolus is absent and proper chromosomes are not made, just like in case of the eukaryote. So you can say it is an evolutionary link between prokaryote and eukaryote. See the difference between these three all? Check carefully. In case of mesokaryon, nuclear envelope is partially developed. Histone proteins they are not using, nucleolus is absent, DNA remain permanently condensed. Check carefully, DNA remain permanently condensed. Mitosis is unusual in which nuclear membrane will remain intact during entire cell division, and it's a feature of dinoflagellate. So you can, if you want, you can take this screenshot of the comparison between the prokaryote, mesokaryon, and eukaryote. I hope so this short video might be helpful for you for understanding the concept. Please follow Jaya Biology channel for more such interesting facts regarding the biology. Thanks for watching.